Hi beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Efomo Sarah Osa. Today I'm going to give you guys a house tour. You know, I've been talking so much about where I live and I think it's hard time you guys see where I stay. So come in. Okay, of course you see that this is the entrance door. So you come in from here and come inside, don't be shy. On this side there's a very beautiful frame. I don't know what animal that is. I think it's a horse, but it came with the house. So yeah, there's that, and then on the left hand side here we have like a storage space. So here I just keep my boxes and shoes. I'm going to like get a shoe rack to like rearrange these things. You know, I just came and I'm not fully settled, so with time I'll get a shoe rack so I can move these shoes from here. Yeah, the boxes are there, really nice storage space, and you know, come follow me. Here is just like a walkway and it's spacious. First of all, this is a one bed apartment. It's not a studio, and it's in between a one bedroom apartment and a studio. It's really amazing. I'll show you guys. So here is a fridge, freezer, and the apartment also came with an iron. And here there's an ironing board and a vacuum cleaner also came with the apartment. So yeah, ignore this. I came to the UK and I've not seen roaches. I've not heard about roaches in the UK, but this house came with cockroach. I think the people that stayed here before were Nigerians and they probably came with maybe their stuff. And you know how it's very easy for cockroaches to like what they call reproduce. Like they reproduce very, very fast. So my landlord gave me some things, like put a lot of things in the house to pest repellent and all of those things. So they're reducing and we're good. It has this flooring, this nice carpet. It's really nice, and you know, all of those things. Here, we'll come here later. This is like one of my favorite parts of the house. Come with me to the kitchen. Yeah, so this is my number one favorite place. I love to cook. I love the kitchen so much, and this kitchen is quite spacious. Unlike, you know, the way UK houses are, like their kitchen is not, it's very small, and for a one bed apartment this is really spacious. Here we have storage spaces, 3 storage space, and the sink. I have a toaster there, and then electric jug. It also came with the house. There are some pots that came with the house, but the pots were really small and they are like stainless, and I don't like them. They used to burn, so I had to get a new set of pots. I think you guys will see that unboxing in another vlog. I did that already. We have more and more buckets here. This way, there's also storage space here, and this thing I think is for decoration. It looks really nice for the kitchen. I got this one's off Temu. I just put some of my spices here to, you know, make the kitchen look beautiful. This one came with the apartment. It's just like a storage container. There's storage here too. I put the plates and the glass, the mug. They all came with the apartment. So yeah, there's that. Here's the gas. This is one of the parts I don't really like in the house, so I'm not going to come here and do like I like everything. I like it. I love this place, but this gas I would have preferred, you know, the other one that you you literally don't have it, doesn't have this hot plates. I prefer the flat ones, right? This one is like old, but it does the work. It cooks my food. Here, the oven and the grill. I've been grilling a lot since I came. It's really nice. I love it. You have the microwave here, really nice as well. The twin brother of this thing I showed you before is right here. Can you see this? Okay, so it's right here, and there are just some things going on here. Yeah, I love the cabinets. It's nice. I have different things. I think I showed you when I was organizing. I don't want to open this thing. It's also organized. When I was organizing the storage, like putting the things I bought from Nigeria, my food stuff and all of that. So yeah, so that's it for the kitchen. Any other thing, there's the bin here, of course. So from the entrance of the kitchen, you see the kitchen, and then on my left is the bathroom, the washroom. Really nice as well. There's an extractor here that makes noise. I just pray people hear me at this point. I don't know if okay, let me go in. So there's a mirror here and a sink. Calm down. This sink is really very small, like small. Whenever I want to use, I have to bend my head down and just be careful so water doesn't fall on the ground. Then there's this footwork here. Don't mind the color. When I came, this is how it was. I'm going to change it to something really nice and bright and cleaner. I just try to clean as much as I can. You can come in. So here there's the, of course, the toilet seats and a little of those decoration over there. Like I said, the house is really nice. I like it. It came with its own decor. Then the tissue and the bin. That's it. On the left hand side is just like the shower area. Yeah, I got a bit storage for some of the things, like just to store my soap and all of that. I'm still going to do a lot in this bathroom for the meantime. So yeah, that's for the bathroom. Anyways, this house is bills inclusive. I didn't mention it's bills inclusive. And my tenancy here is for 6 months. Minimum tenancy is 6 months. So to my second favorite part of the house, the bedroom. Come with me. When you come in, there's a wardrobe area there. It's really nice. I love it. There's a bedside shelf, and then my bed. I would love to say king size bed, but well, it's just a double bed. It's big. There are some decorations on the shelf. They also came with the house. I didn't have to do much decor. And on this side of the bed, it has the same shelf, by the bed. And then there's the heater. It's not controlled by me. So when the temperature of the house goes really cold, the heater comes on. My landlord controls it. And I have my window blinds. I can't open it because of the lighting of the house, so you guys can see me. But it's nice. I like it because I have a very nice view. It's a really busy place, sometimes quiet, and this neighborhood is like a white dominated neighborhood. You hardly see blacks here. Come in. There's the shelf, another storage space here. I love it. I store so many other things here. And then the TV, which I also love. By the grace of God, I will focus on my studies and not be watching Netflix and Prime Video and all of that. Here there's a center stool. It's just a stool. I just put it at the center. There's another stool by this side. I feel like there's supposed to be two. I saw one of them broken in they kept it somewhere in the cabinet in the kitchen. So I think the people that stayed here before broke it. So, but this is what I met in the apartment. There's this other side chair here, and of course this is the couch. So I sit here and I watch my movies. I just have a good time. I love this couch. It's really soft and So this is where I'm starting from. This is my first apartment in the UK. It's in Manchester. I love it. It's, well, I won't say it's affordable, but it's not so expensive. So drop in the comment section. I'm not telling you how much it is. How much do you think this apartment is? It's a one-bedroom apartment, and we all know how accommodation is so expensive in Manchester. I almost forgot to say, I don't tell my UK story without mentioning God. This apartment, I got it before I came to the UK. I got it while I was still in Nigeria, and I paid for it from Nigeria. God has been faithful. When I even got it, I was even doing so much shakara set because my landlord was asking for so many things, and it was stressing me. He will apologize. He's not trying to stress me. Like, it was really nice. I'm coming here. I love it here, and I'm just really grateful to God. I understand the struggle of getting accommodation in the UK. Like, it's harder than getting visa. I'm not even joking. So, and God did it for me. I'm here. I came in. I landed Manchester and I came directly to my house. It's amazing. I would say for people looking for houses, like, first of all, join groups, your school groups. You would get links for accommodation there. I'm in one Manchester accommodation group. My school group, we have a group, and then people share accommodation. There's Spare Room, there's Zoopla, there's On the Market, there's Rightmove. There's so many sites, right? And so I didn't get this from any site. I got this. I saw the link on the group, and I just messaged landlord, and that's how we got talking. Other people were also interested in the house, but by the grace of God, baby girl got it. So yeah, that's it. And I pray that people looking for accommodation, they get one as soon as possible because it's not easy. So people, I'm just saying thank you for watching my videos, for stopping by, for watching to the end. You're the real MVP. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share the video. Thank you. Like, we keep growing. I'm seeing the growth, I'm seeing the views, and it's encouraging. So yeah, thank you so much. I love you. Mwah.